Hello, my name is Kanika and I'm working as a senior SUTL at Softex Tech Solutions. I'm working here from past 4 to 5 years and today I'm going to explain you how we can fix the 404 error pages which we get as an error on Google Search Console.
So firstly, I'll go to this Google Search Console. So basically 404 pages are the error pages which are shown when a website can't find the requested web page, usually due to a broken link issue, or it might be a problem of the pages which are being removed from the website backend. So yeah, let's start with the process. Now we open the Google Search Console account. Then you need to log in that with your required email. So after logging into the account, from the left side you can find the search property option. Here you need to select the property for the website which you need to fix the 404 issues. Then after that you need to go to the pages section which will be under the indexing. Here you can see the status of your pages. Like it will show that 45 pages of your website are not indexed because of 9 reasons, and those 9 reasons are listed below. These are not found 404, alternate page with proper canonical tag, then page with redirect, blocked by robots.txt, duplicate canonical issue, crawled currently but not indexed, blocked due to some 404 or 4xx issue. Then next is excluded by no index tag. And then lastly it comes the discovered but they are not currently indexed. So this list contains the URLs which are not found and currently Google detected them as not working. And because of this issue, they are not indexed in Google as well. So my next step would be I will go to the export button. Then I'll open the Google Doc of this. So here I can see the data like chart. Then next comes the table. And in the table, you can see the list of all these URLs which are 404. And in the second column, you can see the last crawl date of these particular pages. So crawl date means the last date on which the Google bots have visited these pages and accordingly collected the data and found that these are not working on the website. So let's start with them. We'll copy these URLs and let's see if these are actually not working. Yeah, so first one is not working. Well, check any of this URL. You can see it shows that we couldn't find the page you were looking for. This is either because there is an error in the URL entered, or it might be the issue that the page is being removed or deleted. So let's see the steps now to fix this issue. Click on this URL. Let's check any of them. Now we need to go to the Google Search Console. Then under the URL inspection, you can put this 404 link and press enter. Now you can find that there is no, this is not present either in the sitemaps and neither any other referring page found for this URL. But this URL is not working. Let's check it out. So yeah, this 404 is not working. So what I do it now, I'll copy this URL of 404 and I will add the 301 redirection to this. 301 redirection we add for the permanent redirection so that any time if a user or Google found this URL, then they can be redirected and could be taken to the another working page. So let's start with that now. So my website is developed in Squarespace, so I'm doing this process there only. So the steps we'll be performing here is we need to access the website's backend, and we need to add the redirection, the 301 redirection, and after that we'll save those changes and publish them live on the web. Let's do that. So in the Squarespace, after you sign into your account, and you need to select your desired domain, the website, and click on that. After that, this section or this dashboard will be opened in front of you. So now you need to follow the next steps. That is, you need to find the redirection option here. So in Squarespace, you need to go to the settings. And after settings, you need to click on the developer tools option. After that, you will find here the URL mappings option here. That is, create internal and external URL redirects. Here, when you click it out, then you will add the redirection. So I already added some redirections here for some earlier 404 issues. So let's do that for this URL now. So this is the process or the sample that we need to follow. I will copy this 404 link. Then here in this box, you can paste this URL. No need to paste the domain, it will automatically fetch it. And then you need to add the redirection for this page to the related page. So here in my locations, here is this location is, this URL is for the Key West, Florida location. So in my website, I have the Key West, Florida location, and it has the URL named Yoga Key West, Florida. And the page which is not working is only Key West, Florida. So we need to redirect this 404 page to this correct URL. Here you go. Then it means that 301 redirection is added. We just need to also add 301 at the end, so that it can be clarified that we are using 301 redirection for this old URL to new URL. Then you need to save this. The modifications we did are already published. The page is published now. You can check now that this URL will now redirect to the new correct URL and will not show any 404. Yeah, so here we go. Now the URL is working. There will be no more 404 here. So after performing all the above mentioned steps for the 404 URL list, you can submit the validate fix request on the Google Search Console. This validation process takes time, so you can check all these fixes in next 10 days max. You need to go to the pages. Here in the not found 404, you can submit the validation request from here. After you fix all these URLs, wait for like max to max 7 days or a week for this. So this will quickly update the Google's index and monitor the repair status of all these 404 URLs and provide the confirmation that issues which are reported in the Google Search Console are resolved. So that's why after fixing the issue, we need to click on the validate fix button every time. And alternatively, if somehow your page, the page that is 404 is indexed, then what you need to do is you need to go to the removal section here. And this 404 link, you need to submit the removal request here. Make sure that the option always selected as remove this URL only. And then you click on the next. Once you click on the next, submit the request here. It will automatically now remove this URL from Google's index, help in preventing them from appearing in Google search page for 6 months.
If you like our video, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, for any related queries, feel free to get in touch with us through website or through the WhatsApp number mentioned on the screen.